wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In the lane, snow is glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, man," but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's Charlie Brown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other children knock him down. When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Blow your nose, get to chillin'. We'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland, walking in a winter wonderland, walking in a winter wonderland.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said,
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
glow, all the bells ring out. There were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace.
And then they found a little nook in a stable all forlorn. And in a manger, golden dark, Mary's little boy was born.
Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today.
And man will live forevermore
Because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang out. There were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace.
Oh my Lord, you sent your son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very self you gave us. Oh my Lord, that sin may not enslave us and love may reign once more. Oh my Lord, when in the crypt they found him. Oh my Lord, a golden halo crowned him. Oh my Lord, they gathered all around him to see him and adore.
They will live forever.
Oh my Lord, they had begun to doubt you. Oh my Lord, what did they know about you? Oh my Lord, but they were lost without you. They needed you so bad.
Shining on us.
Oh my Lord, the church adoration. Oh my Lord, their faith, their jubilation. Oh my Lord, and full of admiration, they realized what they had. Oh my Lord, you sent yourself to save us. Oh my Lord, your very self you gave us. Oh my Lord, that sin may not enslave us.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round yon virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly
want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell twist, jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in the jingling feet, that's the Jingle Bell Rock. the Jingle Bell Ride.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus coming to town. Oh yeah, Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you are awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Oh, Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh yeah, Santa Claus is coming to town. 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 Little tin horns and little toy drums, booty toot toot and rubber tum tums, curly head dolls that toodle and coo, elephant boats and kitty cars too. Oh, Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh yeah, Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. One more time now. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh yeah, Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. As in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. So hang a shining star above the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Santa baby slipped a Rolex under the tree for me. I've been an awful good guy, Santa buddy, and hurried down the chimney tonight. Santa buddy, a 65 convertible to steel blue. I'll wait up for you, dude, Santa buddy, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I missed. I think of all the hotties that I never kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa Pally, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lie. I've been a sweetie all year, Santa buddy, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa buddy, one thing that I really do need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa Pally, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa buddy, fill my stocking with Canucks ticks for kicks. Throw me on the first line, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Mercedes. I really do believe in you. Now let's see if you believe in me. Santa Poppy forgot to mention one little thing. Cha-ching. No, I don't mean as alone, Santa buddy, So hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Oh, hurry down the chimney tonight.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose, yeah. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright, yeah. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight.
They know that Santa's on his way. He's loading lots of toys and mini goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if a reindeer really know how to fly.
And so I'm offering a simple phrase, yeah. Tickets from 1 to 92. Although it's been said
Many times,
many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Said many times, many ways.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas, yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.